Hi, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the clipboard in Microsoft Excel to manage all the items you've copied or cut in your spreadsheet. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the clipboard. Here I have a spreadsheet with a list of fictional students and test scores. As I've been working, I've copied and cut several items. Every time you copy something, it goes into the clipboard, which is like a temporary storage area in Excel. Normally, when you press Ctrl+F, Excel pastes the most recent item you copied or cut. But what if you want to reuse something you copied several steps ago? That's where the clipboard panel comes in handy. Step 2. Opening the clipboard panel. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the clipboard group, click the small dialog box launcher in the bottom right corner. I like to call it the Launch button. This opens the clipboard panel, which shows a history of items you've recently copied or cut. Step 3. Pasting from the clipboard. To paste an item, just click on it in the clipboard panel. For example, click an emoji or a test score, and it will appear in your spreadsheet. You can also undo any paste with Ctrl+Z. Step 4. Managing items in the clipboard. If you don't want to keep a particular item, hover over it and click the small arrow to the right. Then choose Delete. That removes it from the clipboard history. At the top of the panel, you can click Clear All to remove all items at once. Step 5. Clipboard options. At the bottom left of the panel, click Options to control how the clipboard behaves. Show Office Clipboard automatically. Excel decides when to display the clipboard panel. Show Office Clipboard when Ctrl+C pressed twice. If you press Ctrl+C twice, the clipboard panel opens. This is handy to see all recently copied items. Collect without showing Office Clipboard. Excel collects clipboard items without showing the panel. I don't usually use this one, but it's available. Step 6. Using the clipboard efficiently. For example, select a range of cells and press Ctrl+C twice. The panel opens and you can see everything you've copied recently. Then simply click any item to paste it wherever you need it in your spreadsheet. And that's how you can use and manage the clipboard in Excel to keep track of everything you've copied or cut. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video.